Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Egenelo Khotatso, beautiful game by the boys.
Thank you very much. I would like to greet everyone in the name of Orlando Pirates. It's so nice to say Orlando Pirates in your mouth. You understand? And I also want to give thanks to the scouts. It's not every scout that goes out to the villages and scout for that raw diamond and then make it a captain in a space of less than 12 months. Here he is right now. He has given us a chance to breathe again in the Kalin Black Label Cup. Pagama Kinkachwayo, Mbagazi, thank you very much. Continue for doing what you are doing. Dr. Evan Koza, you must give your scout more money. They must get us more gems. You understand? We are very happy. We are not going anywhere. We are going to support this team. We are going to get girlfriends here.
Who's next, Pagania? Who's next? Who's next, Pagania?
You cannot. You know, I get angry when someone asks me, when is the next Pirates game? Pirates Pirates